Sometimes when I'm feeling a little bit unhinged, I like to remind myself that all of Western psychology is based on whether or not you act like a white man.
I'm a social psychology PhD candidate, and all of my research is based out of spite from this. All of my work centers women's experiences. The history of psychology is pretty much just men. Do you think that these dudes were really taking into consideration women's experiences, people of color's experiences, queer people's experiences, when they were claiming to have understood, like, human fundamentals? No. Not only are most of the early psychologists men, but a lot of the fundamental psychological studies were only conducted on men. We can say what we want about the Stanford prison experiment and whether or not it would ever replicate, but the fact is it was only ever conducted on men. And yet it was used to describe all of human behavior and how people obey and follow orders. Is this a basis of human psychology, or is this a basis of men's psychology? This isn't an issue just in psychology. Women have been excluded from all types of research: psychological, medical, clinical trials, because researchers claim that working with women or female species is too complicated because of our fluctuating hormones. Okay. And what's fascinating is that when I try to do work that balances this out and that doesn't center straight white men for once in human history, I'm told that it's sexist to ignore 50% of the population. Interesting. I guess it's not a problem that it's happened for centuries at the expense of women, people of color, and gender minorities' experiences. But the second something isn't about men, come on.